This is how you can activate your ADIB debit card online using the ADIB app in just one single click. Once you receive your ADIB debit card, simply log into the ADIB app. For those of you who don't have access to your ADIB app, you can also activate your debit card by simply sending a message to this number, 2400. This is very important. Write the activate card short code as you see it on the screen in capital letters, SCTCRD, and then put a space and write the last 4 digits of your debit card and send. Again, remember, you have to send this message to 2400. Make sure to use the mobile number that is attached to your ADIB account. So, for those of you who want to use the ADIB app, once you are logged in, at your dashboard, you'll see the activate your card message. This message will indicate that your card is ready to be activated. It will also indicate the last 4 digits of your card number. So simply tap on the activate now button. Go ahead and enter the OTP that will be sent to the mobile number that is registered to your account, and that is it. Your debit card has been activated.